How to view business credit card transactions and discover online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to track your business spending, well here is how to view business credit card transaction and discover online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in with your business online banking username and password. And once you are on the dashboard, you simply have to locate your business credit card account from the list of accounts and click on the card to open your account details and see your current balance and available credit. And there you can scroll down to view recent transactions, including purchases, payment, and any pending charges. And there you can just click on a transaction to see details like date, merchant, and transaction amount. And you can also use filters or search tools to sort transactions by date, category, or amount for easier review. And that's it. That's how you can view business credit card transactions and discover online banking. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.